people. Just now I did a short little, I made a short recording. Then I thought, no. Let me reshoot it. So, this is the new recording. So, I just have to say this that I've been on this whole mission to speak about these pages that everybody needs to follow on Instagram. So, there is this page called Mum in Charge, and the young lady who runs the page, I call her young lady because though she's a mom of three, she's got something about her. She looks like a cute little, pretty little, fresh faced teenager, and I've come to believe that when a person is nice, they automatically look young. I mean, I think, like they say, right? People who don't get angry automatically look young. So, really, yeah, this page is called Mum in Charge, and you can find it on Instagram. And this page is mostly tips on, like motherhood and tips on gentle parenting by a certified parenting coach. So truly, yeah, Mum in Charge is run by this sweet girl, a sweet young lady named Alicia, and she has like a newborn, a toddler, and a preschooler. So it's like she's acquainted, very, very intimately acquainted with all the phases of life, like in terms of, No, yeah, I've realized when a person is a coach, they should necessarily have been through these experiences and repeatedly, if possible. So, with three kids, she has like a whole wealth of experience. So, if you all want any coaching on, gentle parenting, Mum in Charge, it is this page on Instagram, and it's something that I personally would want to follow. So, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.